In 1947, as the partition reshaped the subcontinent, thousands of
Welcome to Syed Raza Tech Craft. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate these AI documentaries completely for free, and it's completely for beginners if you follow step by step. Let's see the results first.
In 1947, as the partition reshaped the subcontinent, thousands of Muslim families crowded dusty.
As you can see, the scene looks very realistic, and there's a voiceover to go with it, and also the overlay text is here. So you need to open the ChatGPT and you need to write down a prompt. Ask the ChatGPT to generate an image prompt for you, whatever your topic is. So simply write down in ChatGPT, and you can see here it has generated a image prompt for me. Copy this prompt from here, meta.ai. Here you need to log into Meta AI first and then paste your prompt here and click on it. It will generate 4 images for you. Taking this prompt, Meta AI, completely for free, it will generate these 4 images for you. As you can see here, now I've got the 4 scenes here in front of me. Whichever image you prefer, you need to click on this animate here. Once you click on this animate thing, the Meta AI will animate the same picture. It will take the same picture from here and it will animate it for you. So let's just wait for a couple of minutes for Meta AI to finish this. Now the Meta AI has finished generating this image. As you can see, it has animated the same image for me. Click on this download icon and download this onto your computer. Once the download is complete, the next thing is go back to the ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write down a video script for you for the same scene that we generated up here. This can be 10 seconds, 20 seconds. I'm just doing it for the 10 seconds just to keep this video short. And now you can see the ChatGPT will generate a video script for you. Need to copy this from here. The next thing is you need to open 11 Labs. Click on 11 Labs and here you need to log into your account again. So once you logged into the 11 Labs, you will see an interface like this in front of you. From here you need to select text to speech. So for that you can choose any of these voices from here as well, but on the left hand side you will see text to speech option. Click on it and here you need to paste your script. Once you paste your script here, the next is it will give you an option to choose a voice. So the voice I prefer here is this one. When you go through the list, you can find this, a UK teacher. It's got the deep voice, perfect for the documentaries, and then you hit generate speech.
In 1947, as the partition reshaped the subcontinent, thousands of Muslim families crowded dusty railway stations, carrying their belongings and loved ones toward the newly created Pakistan. Steam trains whistle through the chaos as emotional faces
into your PC as well. So now you have the animated clip and the voice. The next thing you need to do is open a CapCut. From here, click on new project and import your animated clip and the voice both into CapCut. Click on this add to track icon for the video and audio will follow it as well. Now you can see our clip is shorter, but the voice is quite
in 1947
long, more than 20
as the partition
seconds.
reshaped
What we need to do here, click on this clip and you will find the option of speed here. From here you can reduce the speed of your clip to match to the length of your audio, exactly up till here, or maybe a slightly shorter. There you go. Now our scene matches the audio as well. If you think it's too slow, what you can do, you can
in 1947 as the
this
partition
clip
reshaped
twice
the
as well.
subcontinent.
So what I'll do, you can add the same clip again as well, and add the same clip 2-3 times. Or you can, the other option is go back to the Meta AI and animate one more image from here instead of repeating the same image. So I'll animate this as well, and I'll click animate on this as well. So now I'll generate 2 more animated videos. So instead of this idea of repeating the images, I can delete these, and I'll wait for the Meta AI to generate me 2 more images here. Now you can see I've got 2 more animated images here. So I'll click download on first and click download on the second one. Go back to your CapCut and your download folder and add these 2 clips to your timeline as well. And there you go. Now what you can do, you can reduce the speed of this image, not too much, so it doesn't look too slow when you watch, and then add another clip. Do the same thing, reduce the speed of it, and then add another clip just to adjust the length of your audio with these clips. Little bit more, and now you can see we are almost there. Once this is done, and you can see the results as well. So the next thing we need to do here is click
In
on
1947,
this text in
as the
CapCut
partition reshaped
and
the
click on auto captions and click generate. The CapCut has changed its subscription now. It asks to get the pro account for generating these captions, but there are other websites as well. If you just export this video from here and you upload the same video onto those websites, then you can have your captions ready as well for free. So I can just choose any of these different caption styles from here, whatever suits my current project. I think I'll just keep this one for now, and now I'll show you the results of this. Export this video so we can see it properly. Name this video and click export. CapCut has finished exporting my documentary, so I'll go back where
In
my
1947,
exports are,
as the partition
and I'll
reshaped.
click on it and I'll show you the results again. Using these steps, you can generate so many of these AI documentaries and upload it to your social media accounts. These are completely safe because these are uniquely created only for you from your own prompt. So there is no problem of getting any copyright strikes or any issues with any of the social media platforms. I hope that helps. Thank you for watching.